Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am super excited to share with you an amazing product that will completely change the way you travel. Introducing the JINGHMA R5 1000W folding mountain electric bike. This incredible bike is equipped with a powerful 1000W brushless motor that can assist you to travel at a speed of 4,550 km/h. Just imagine the thrill of conquering every road in your trip with this super strong power. The bike is also equipped with a 48V14Ah removable lithium battery, allowing you to ride for 50 kilometers on a full charge in pure electric mode. The battery can be easily recharged at home or office in just 5 hours, giving you the freedom to explore without worrying about running out of power. What sets this electric bike apart is its reliable brake system, premium hydraulic brakes, and Shimano 21-speed system. These features allow you to easily select different speeds for any type of road you want to ride. Additionally, the intelligent LCD display provides accurate power, speed, and travel distance, keeping you informed and in control of your ride. The sturdy aluminum frame and foldable design make this electric bike perfect for city commuting and outdoor adventures. Not to mention, the 26x 4.0-inch premium tires are designed to tackle any terrain, from travel roads to snow and sand. But that's not all. When you order the JINGHMA R5, you'll also receive a range of free gifts including a charger, mobile phone holder, mudguard, rear seat cushion, bike pump, bike helmet, multi-tool, bike lock, and rear seat. Plus, with a 1-year warranty on the electric motor and battery, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a high-quality product. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the JINGHMA R5 1000W folding mountain electric bike and start enjoying the ultimate ride of your life. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to revolutionize the way you travel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews and recommendations.